Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today we will understand that how can you gradually apply color on figure and also apply details in every portion. This is part 3 video. I have separated them because if I post whole video as a one, I need to make it faster. So it will difficult for you to understand the whole process. That's why I have made the tutorial into 4 parts. So you can see that first of all I put the brown color lightly on those figure body parts and gradually applying dark brown for light and shades. In this term you have to control the brushes, otherwise color will move from one part to another. So I will suggest you to use 00 brush, so it will help you to make more details easily. On the board you can see some sticks, so for them I have used grey brown and at the end white color for super light. In few portion I am applying white color more and more so that those area should be up from other portion. You can ask me that why we use light and dark shadow, because if you don't use or understand about light and dark, the whole subject will look similar. As an example, if I don't use white on left side of the boat down portion, the boat will look similar with river, because on that side the water portion also dark, so you can make the differences by increasing white color on your subject or select any light color that will automatically create the separation and no need to use white color anymore. So when you create something you must be careful about light and shade. Now jump to the another topic, that how can you apply more details. Listen, for more details first try to practice regularly. Second, choose a simple subject so that you can concentrate properly. Also observe properly that what is the condition of the subject, which color can be seen, how many lines or dots are there, how many shades you can see, the portion of the drawing, and lots of little detailing. So if you follow those lines, you can create easily a masterpiece. After applying light and shades, now it's time to apply some lines and drawings with waterproof pen. I'm using STA pen. Apply figure details like eyes, nose, beard, some drawings on boat, shirt, lungis. You can use brush also instead of pen, but pen is more convenient for detailing. I think for this conversation, maybe you can learn something, and also I think it will help you to make a better drawing in future. So no more talk for now. Enjoy my work. See you soon with part 4. Till then, take care. Bye bye.